Hi, Patrick Stockhausen here, wealth and trading mindset expert, financial trader, investor, founder of Taking Stock, and creator of this free 5-part video training series for you on the millionaire trader's mindset. You see, I grew up in a very financially challenged home with 6 children, very little financial resources between us. I went to school and I absolutely hated it. I thought, in all honesty, it was a complete and utter waste of time. It wasn't that I didn't like learning, I just didn't like learning what they were teaching. And I was told by a lovely teacher and 2 great people said, you know what? You look stupid, you sound stupid, and you probably are stupid. What a great thing to boost a child's confidence, right? And I remember growing up, my dad bought some stocks and shares once from the government because they were privatising. The government was privatising all the companies. And I saw my dad make some money from this, and I thought, hold on a second, you've just made some money. And you're not doing it from a job. And this got me started to think about, how do people make money? And I started observing this, and I thought, I don't want a job, because everybody I knew that had a job was either broke or struggling. But I saw my dad made some money from some stocks and shares. But understand, all along in my mind, whilst trying to make money and failing every single thing that I did outside of a job, I had this thing going on my mind, which was, you look stupid, you sound stupid, you probably are stupid. So that was what I thought was wrong with me, why I couldn't actually make any money. Now, one year, I saw advertised in a newspaper a course by someone called Dr. Bruno First, You Can Remember, a course in memory and concentration. And I purchased this course, and it was absolutely amazing. It gave me amazing memory training skills. I could read a whole book. You could ask me any page, any paragraph, and I could tell you exactly what it said, verbatim. A powerful course that was. There's other courses out there. This is not an advertisement. This is not an endorsement. I'm just telling you I purchased that one. Now, what was great about this course wasn't the fact it was this course. It was what they sent me thereafter. So they subsequently sent me several books for free. They sent me Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, The Laws of Success, Psycho-Cybernetics, The Master Key, and books of that nature and that ilk. And I absolutely loved this material. I thought, this is phenomenal. And I thought, this is amazing information. I thought, you know what? If I could say this information to somebody, if I could repeat this information to somebody, if I could say this, I won't look stupid, I won't sound stupid, and I won't be stupid. So I studied everything I could about this field, about the psychology of wealth and achievement and success and the mindset and the approach of building wealth. And by the time I was 33, I'd obtained a degree in finance, created a thriving entertainment business, was a network TV entertainment presenter and personality, co-taught with the leading global leaders in the psychology of peak performance, was voted one of the most eligible bachelors in the UK, and became completely and utterly financially free. And now I run a private investment fund and do my own trading and investing. And what was strange was this. I had friends asking me, how did you do that? Tell me how you did that. How did you make that money there? How did you make that money there? And I would show them blatant, what I perceived as blatant money-making opportunities. And the funny thing was, they either couldn't see it, or they couldn't get themselves to do it. And they couldn't get themselves to repeat it. And I used to say to them, read these books. And they thought, no, I haven't got time for this, Patrick. I haven't got time to be doing that. Just show me how you made the money. But it didn't matter what I showed them, they couldn't do it. And the funny thing was, the more I studied how the mind was the determining factor in how you could create your own financial future and destiny, the more I made. And the less they applied it, the less they wanted to read it, the less they could see it, and the less they could do it. So for the last 20 years, I've just spent studying the psychology of wealth, peak performance, trading and investing, and understand the difference that makes the difference. So I'm going to say this, if I can do this, looking stupid, sounding stupid, being stupid, then you can definitely do this. Someone said to me the other day, yeah, but that's you, Patrick, that's you. Maybe you're just gifted in this way. Well, I'll tell you this. I once did a 12-week program all about the mindset and the psychology of building wealth and the principles of asset allocation and all those things like that. Nothing to do with the actual trading systems itself. And I'll tell you what, this is what happened. One of the students applied this information, was in a corporate job, left the corporate job, put together a business team, and created a multi-million pound international energy company. And I asked her, what did you do? She said, I just applied what you said. Another one of the students, well known in the community, was in a part-time sales job, literally 1 week away from living in a trailer park, applied the information and completely transformed her life. Lost over 100 pounds in weight, became a number 3 board member in a Fortune 500 company. Her paycheck went to 6 figures plus a massive bonus, plus making 100% a year in their trading account, and has recently been asked by several people to set up a private investment fund. And there's many, many, many more examples like that. So here's the big headline. You can completely rewire your mind to think like the rich, which automatically leads to doing the actions that build wealth and financial freedom. Because once you've done that, you can have all the lifestyle and the time freedom you desire, the time with your family, the travel, the exercise, etc., what you really want, which is why most people are in this game.